my people, we don't come again. Now me, una son, una brother, Ola Onipekun Ogunje, aka Torino of Gigatech International Limited, #1 solar installer in Edo State. Right away now, we dey one for Sapler Road. So this setting what we come to so now the upgrade system. Now we come install for yesterday. So what it be upgrade system? Now it be when you take produce electricity for use where NEPA no dey or national grid. That they call upgrade system. So the electricity where they produce here now solar electricity 247. Now it go dey here. This setup now, you see the panels we will bring. Now it is. So panel the hybrid inverter, iron lithium ion battery also dey. So I'm going to use this opportunity. Thank people wey comment for our last video and also wey share am. I want to thank OTK, Commander OTK. I see you. I want also thank Ogapo, Mr. Tokiti, Umara, Vincent Edogiawere, Ability Okagbewa, Mr. Ewemade, Pastor Rontins, the Akenedos, Wayawesi, and many others when they share our video, we see they like her. I say God will bless you now. When Wayawe now, it does have one over. Where Agasoga do Edo Gaviseloma, Edo. On a dear mama where we're liking Winima. May God bless all of you. Know we you now. Lastly, while you try and follow up in our YouTube, our Facebook, also comment and share. So if there is if you have difficulties or your system, you know they work well, our number they screen there, call us. Or you dey village where NEPA light no dey, now off-grid system now you need. So call us. Now we be Baba for solar installer for Edo State. Person wey no work, now you work the file, not be by signboard. If you know her, you know her. If you don't know her, you don't know her. It's Gwale. Oba talk by